Well, I'm O.P. Yadav. I'm the Chief Cardiac Surgeon and the Chief Executive Officer of the National Heart Institute in New Delhi. Unfortunately, the biggest problem is that the patients do not return to work after bypass surgery, and even not only in India but even in the Western world, more than half the people after bypass surgery do not return to gainful employment, and that in fact is a failure of bypass surgery. So I want to impress that one should try and return to gainful employment. The sooner the better. One can easily start doing simple chores at home, paring fruit or cutting vegetables, sorting out things here and there. One can do even in a week's time and gradually work up the amount of work one is doing. One should begin to clear the table at the dining table. One should stop asking for water. Go and pick it up yourself from the kitchen. One should not use the remote. Start switching off the TV or walking up to the TV. And one should start getting out of the house sooner the better and start taking what we call short, frequent walks. At whatever level of activity one feels weak, one should take a break, gain back the breath and start walking again. And if you take multiple activities, short aliquots of multiple number of times, they will add together to give you adequate physical activity for the day. And try and build on the activity on daily and weekly basis, and depending on your requirements of job, if it is a desk job, I strongly recommend people should get back to those desk jobs within 4 weeks, and if it is a heavy physical exertion, they may have to wait up to 6 to 8 weeks to get back to full gainful employment, but they should do it, once again I repeat, sooner the better.